All right, Areli, we're going to go from standard 5 to standard 1. So the format looks good. There might be and then you've got a weird space here. Why do we have a weird space here? It's not gonna let me take out that space. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure why that space is there. But there's a weird space. So when you click on the area, well, it takes it away. So I guess it's not a problem. All right, and let's go to 4. You've got Meet the Teacher flyer. You've got visual class schedule. Did you use the same theorist for both? Sorry. Yeah, so you might want to consider changing that. The other thing you might want to consider doing is, there we go, making that look a little bit different. And then let's go to 3. I do like the fact that you keep the formatting the same, as well as, yeah, it's got to be, I think it's because you did it as a footer. That's what it is. You don't want to use the same theorist on all of your slides, because not all the theorists apply, or the same theorist applies to all. So just consider that. And then you use the same font and font size throughout, so that's really nice as a consideration to people who are reviewing it. Standard 2, there was little things like the spacing and stuff like that, which I just fixed one of them. But like you have a space in between here, but then when you go down, there is no space. So just make a choice. And then you want to add your theorist. And then you'll go to 1, CDC milestones, TSG. Make sure that you choose if you're doing a space or not, lesson plan, collaboration. And then you did another, you got to delete that footer. That footer is going to cause you problems, but other than that, it looks pretty solid. So I would delete the footer, and I would add, just when you go in to add it on this one, so if you click the blue and then just do one below it, and then you can add your theorist here. I think that might make that look a little bit different. And then let's just go to your home page or your biography page really quickly to check those items out. So a nice picture. You will have to have your resume, and then you'll also want like an all about me. Other than that, it looks fantastic. You've come a long way. Be super impressed with what you've done. Remember that when you're doing your presentation, only spend about 45 seconds on your home page and about 1 minute, if not 1 minute 15 seconds, on all for each of the 7 slides. So 1 minute 15 seconds on slide 1, 1 minute 15 seconds on slide 2, etc. So practice what you're going to write out. You can bring note cards, but practicing is going to save you.